Adding bank account in Agoda is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add your bank accounts in your Agoda. So for that, you have to be at their website and log into their account first. After following these steps, you have to click on your profile. It will show the initial for your names. So, and here you have to go to your profile. And in your profile, you have to click on payment methods under profile section. And there you guys can see. You have to turn this option on, which is save my credit card information and payment methods. What it will do is whenever we are adding the payment method, it will be added here permanently, or the information will be stored. And here you have to type in YCS Agoda. What it will do is it will show you this website, and you have to go to this website. So what actually this website is? This is the banking end of Agoda. You have to log into your account, or if you don't have, you just need to create a new account. And this account will be merged with Agoda, and so you can add the payment methods in YCS easily. It is a banking type of app. There is no complications in that. You just have to add that option, and your payment method will directly be merged to Agoda. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can add bank account in your Agoda. Hope you guys found this video helpful.